Hello everyone, Gurmeet here, and in this video we will talk about Python membership operators. So membership operators are used to test if a sequence contains some Python object or not, the desired Python object. So basically we use the membership operators to check if an item is contained in Python objects like list, tuple, etc. Okay, so you must know the concept of Python list, tuples, which are basically used to store sequences. Sequences in other programming languages are stored as arrays, right? So let's say I have a list, let's say list 1, and it is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So if I want to check if 3 is contained in this list or not, so I may use the membership operators. Okay, so there are two membership operators, in and not in. Like the identity operators is and is not. Not in is simply the reverse of in. Like is not is the reverse was the reverse of is, right? So if we want to check if 3 is contained in list 1, we'll write it as 3 in list 1. Let's see what it returns. So you can see it is returning true because 3 is contained in list 1. Similarly, you can check with some number which is not actually in the list. So 10 is not in the list 1. So I'm writing here 10 in list 1. So it must return false. So it is returning false because 10 is not contained in the list 1. Similarly, you can use the not in operator. So 10 not in list 1. It is true because 10 is not contained in the list 1. Hence it is returning true. And similarly, you can write variables here and then store the values in the variable, like x equals to 10, and hence it is returning true. So that's it. The concept of membership operators is that much pretty small, right? You can also test it or try it with some other data types like tuple, because it is also a sequence. So that's it for this video. I'll meet you in some other video.